To fix this problem, what you have to do is to go straight to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So tap on the phone settings when you find it. Now try to search for apps and notification or app list or apps. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do when you get to this section is to tap on see your apps. So after tapping on see your apps, try to search for Amino app, then you tap on it. After that, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back, tap on full stop, tap on OK, tap on permissions and make sure permissions are allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is still on. Go back and also check the mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store app. So go to your phone menu, search for Google Play Store, then you tap on it. When you tap on it, search for Amino app, and when it appears, you tap on it and you are going to get to this section. So what you have to do over here is to tap on this update that you're seeing on your device. So tap on update over here to get the latest update of it. So after updating your Amino app, what you have to do is to restart your device. To restart your device, tap on your power button for some while, then tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. See you in my next video.